Today, I just want to show you something really quick in SEMrush, which is my favorite SEO keyword tool. I am going to put a link to this tool in this video. Now, what I want to suggest is that when you are creating content, you're blogging, you're making videos, you're making pins, you're doing Instagram posts, Facebook posts, you're making newsletters, there's all kinds of ways to create content, that you're doing some level of topical and keyword research. Now, let me explain really quickly. What you're looking at here is SEMrush, and we're in the keyword overview. Now, there is another section here for topics, but let's just say this is actually happening today. Oh my goodness. This is actually happening today that I am creating a blog post and a video and a pin and a social post around Amazon Associates accounts. So my topic is getting shut down with your Amazon Associates account. So just now I came over here to do some research. I already know what my topic is going to be about. I'm going to do a playlist series, and I'm going to make a blog out of it of all of the terms of service that are frequently problems with people getting shut down on their Amazon Associates account. But what I didn't know was, how do people search for Amazon Associates? What terms do they use? Because I don't want to just assume everybody uses Amazon Associates. So I came up, what I first did is I went over to Google actually, and I started typing in Amazon Associates shutdown. Okay, that's what I actually typed in. And then what I noticed over on the side here, this is a free plugin. This is called Keywords Everywhere, and it's a free plugin. And what caught my eye was Amazon Affiliate. So up here, I'm saying Amazon Associates, and over here, I'm saying Amazon Affiliate. So I go back over to my SEMrush, and I'm going, this is interesting. So let me type in Amazon Associates, which is where I was going to title the blog. And the reason why this is important, guys, is while Google now ranks topics more than it does specific keywords, it knows what you're talking about regardless of what keywords you use. Strategically, best practices, a keyword in the URL, a keyword in the title, a keyword in the image, a keyword in the first paragraph, a keyword in your meta description. These are still relevant 2019 SEO best practices. So I kind of want to get as close as I can to the keyword that I specifically want to target. And oh, by the way, it's not always the most popular one. Sometimes I'll go for the lower barrier of entry and go for a lower one. But so up here, I want to look at this and go, okay, this is a new topic I've never written on. Amazon Associate. So I go down here to phrase match keywords. Then I go over here to related keywords. Okay, two different things. What phrase match means is that associates, whatever I typed in here, is actually in the term. Over here, it's suggesting related terms. Okay, now guys, watch. Amazon Associates is the term that I use. Amazon Associates. It has 49,500 searches with a $2.23 cost per click. I look over here and I go, oh, wait a minute. Amazon Affiliate has 60,500 more searches, but a lower cost per click, $1.61. Now, typically when I see a higher cost per click, I'm going to assume that this might be a more profitable phrase. More people are competing on that, but that's not always the case. This is just kind of an early, let me just get a blink on it and see what I want, see what I'm thinking, you know? And then I can go down and see all of the other terms that people are using. Now look over here. There's something else that popped up. Amazon Affiliate Program, 14,800 searches, 5.88 cost per click. So now we have less searches. So let me open this. Let me take a look at this for a second. I'm going to look at that keyword now. Now I'm going to go, this is interesting. Maybe a lower barrier of entry, possibly. Less competitive, possibly. Right? So, oops, let me go to view full report. I want to get a couple more factors here. So let's go down to the Amazon Affiliate program. Let's look at the, where was it at? Okay, hold on. Amazon Associates Program, 1,300 searches. This is the keyword difficulty. How hard will it be to rank organically for that keyword term? Okay, so it's high, but this one's higher, right? This one's lower. I love this one. How to be an Amazon affiliate. 480 searches, 72. All right, so you're getting kind of an idea here. But what I'm looking for is the strategy on what term I want to use. So Amazon affiliate program. Join Amazon. What is Amazon? Amazon affiliate program. Login. Is Amazon affiliate program free? So what I could do now, how to use Amazon affiliate program. So I could, this is a good one. I could title my blog, how to use Amazon affiliate program. And I can include all of these, how to join it, what is it free? I can make all of those paragraph headings and then write about that blog. Now that does not solve my my purpose today of finding out whether to use Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliates. This gave me more inspiration. But what I can see here is just based on Amazon Associates versus Amazon Affiliate, what I might want to do is use the more popular search term or use the lower one, Amazon Affiliate Program. So I might say something like, how to prevent shutdown of your Amazon Affiliate Program, or 7 ways to get your Amazon Affiliate Program shut down or closed or disconnected or banned or whatever word I want to use, right? And because of the high cost per click, I might say, you know what, let me just take a look at this. I think this one actually might be more lucrative and more profitable, and that is how I would title my blog post. Anyway, so you have the ability to do lots of research here. That was just one little piece I wanted to show you today of SEMrush and ways to get inspiration and find the best keywords to use for your SEO strategy. I'm Lori Ballen. Find out more at theballenmethod.com.